What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a platform where you can use to create your free icon for your mobile game and whatever you want to do with any icon. So without further talking, let's get started. So go to my browser. You can see this is a site I've already launched before. I have to set up my microphone to do the recording. So this is the site. As you can see here, you have the type of style you want to use. You have popular, most popular, your style. If you have created, if you have first used this site before, this is where you're going to find your icon. So you have all top style. We click here, go to all top style. So these are all the top style that we have. There are a lot of them, so you can spend some time to explore all this. So but first, one thing I forgot to mention, you have to create a free account. And if you don't want to create a free account, but it's still okay, I've already created my free account. That's why you can see here lockout, and this is my name. When you create your free account, this is how it's gonna be. They're gonna send you a message, thank you for signing up. So and you go back to your email address or your Gmail or whatever account you have, and you just activate your email. So let's get back to work. So let us just create. You can see I've already started doing some few work on about Pokemons. So let's create Pokemons. So let's change the style. So you see, let's take this nr.13. So this is nr.13. Let me change this style by using the icon that I really want to create. This is the icon Pokemons. Create Pokemon with the style. Oh, this is it. You see, this is all you gotta do. You can create a lot depending on your imagination. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video, and if there's any comment, and one thing before I forget, you can download here. You click, as you can see, it's downloading. So let me just open the icon that we have created. Whoa, it's taking a long time to load. Apologize for that. So this is the icon that we have just created, and you can create more, even beautiful one than the one that I've created with you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video with anyone, any mobile app developer out there, or any web developer. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below to get weekly inspiration. Till then, see you guys.